what's up, YouTube? You're watching Ready, Set, Drone, and today I'm here with Philip out at our favorite filming spot. How are you today?
I'm doing great.
Yeah?
How are you doing today?
I'm doing absolutely fantastic. We just wrapped up thorough investigation of the, what is that thing called?
Gearworks sidearm.
The Gearworks sidearm. It's a little robotic arm that goes on the DJI Phantom. We're going to premiere that video this Friday.
We are.
Yes, and guess what else we're going to do? We're actually going to do an episode of First Friday.
Yep, just randomly. It's not actually First Friday, but...
I like what you called it, a pop-up episode.
Yeah, pop-up episode.
So that's actually going to be the fourth Friday, which is May 24th. This coming Friday, we'll have an episode, and we're going to be live from 7 p.m. Central until probably about 7:55 Central. Right after that, we'll premiere 2 videos featuring the sidearm from Gearworks, and we will also be on chat to answer questions during that. What are we going to do during first or fourth Friday this time?
Well, most importantly, we're going to announce the giveaway of the Gearworks sidearm.
That's right, we're giving that sucker away.
I don't know if that's most importantly, but we're also going to announce the winners of your little miniature drones. What are those called?
Potentic drones. Yeah, we're going to give those away. Well, so I had a video about those. If you want to enter, go check it out. Although I have to say I've already picked most of the winners. So we are going to give away 4 little mini drones. We're also going to see if we can fly all 5 of them, because there's actually 5, one that I'm keeping at the same time.
Okay, so yeah, you did 2 in the video, and then we're going to try all 5 live.
Yeah,
so that'll be good.
See if you can actually control them, bind 4 or 5 to one controller and fly them all at once. We'll do some giveaways, we'll have some fun, we'll chat. Part of the reason we're doing this as a pop-up video is because I am going to be out of town for June. We're going to try and do First Friday in June, which will be June 7th. But if for some reason, due to technical issues, which very well could happen, we don't make it, at least we got another one in May.
Right, definitely. And then also, I just recently did an interview with you.
Oh yeah.
So I've heard that if you ask any questions in the comments section of my video, that he will answer them. Any question at all? Personal,
I'll answer them during First Friday.
Yeah, answer them during First Friday. So
yeah.
Make sure that you're there. Make sure you put down some questions in the comments section.
Hashtag First Friday in the comments. If you hashtag it, I'll answer it on next Friday. So please join us 7 p.m. on the YouTube networks. This is Kelly Shores of Ready, Set, Drone, and Philip Ulrich, also of Ready, Set, Drone a lot of the time, and also of Philip Ulrich. That's just the channel name, right?
Yeah.
All right. All right, awkward silence. Join us Friday. We'll see you then. All right. Goodness. Join us on Friday for First Friday, even though it's Fourth Friday.